I got another low market cap gem for you, and you better believe you could stake it for yield. Let's take a look at Energy Web Token. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, I'd like to cover a variety of different projects on this channel, including low market cap gems like we have today, also blue chips and real degen projects. So if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video. Really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, first we'll do a quick overview of the project itself, and then we'll look at the partners, and then we'll look at how you can stake it to earn yield, which is definitely the best part of any of the low market cap gems, in my opinion. So Energy Web, they build open source Web3 technologies that help companies navigate the energy transition. It says the Energy Web technology is powering decarbonization solutions in dozens of countries, and they're using blockchain to do that. If we look at why they exist, they have a really cool mission statement, and it's Energy Web is a global nonprofit on a mission to accelerate the energy transition by developing and deploying open source Web3 technologies that help companies unlock business value from clean and distributed energy sources. Down here they say why Web3. Web3 is a loaded term. Proponents claim it's the future of the internet. Critics say it's a solution looking for a problem or worse. Regardless of your view, one thing is undeniable. There are few examples of decentralized technologies solving meaningful problems and creating real-world value for users. I definitely agree with that to a point. Most of the projects, if not most of the projects that I cover, one of the big things is use case. And if it does not have a use case, I don't cover it unless it's like a fun, more gambling type play like the degen plays that I have on the channel. But all of the blue chips that I cover and all of the low market cap gems, they all have to have a use case. That's one of the stipulations for me to call it a low market cap gem. And this project for sure does have use cases. Okay, I'm not going to do a deep dive into their technology, but basically what they're doing is they're trying to help clean the energy supply chains and make them more transparent. Less carbon emissions and be more transparent. Green proofs are what they use for transparency, and then they do asset management help, and then data exchange. I guess we can look at them real quick. Green proofs help organizations back up their public decarbonization pledges and grow markets for clean commodities with granular, verifiable data, so being more transparent. And the asset management part, know what you're dealing with. Energy Web Asset Management helps enterprises strengthen security and improve visibility for distributed resources in complex operating environments. And then the data exchange says everybody on the same page. Energy Web Data Exchange helps electricity market participants share information and coordinate operations to maximize the value of clean and distributed energy sources. So basically they're trying to organize the energy grid and make it more energy efficient as well. Okay, now let's take a look at their partners. They got a lot of them and a lot of familiar ones too. If you look down here, we got Exelon, we got Shell, we got Siemens, we got down here there's Volkswagen. There's a couple articles that I found that are really cool here. BMW, let's see, BMW demos recharging cars using Energy Web blockchain. We go down here and look at it. It says BMW has partnered with Energy Web to demonstrate a blockchain solution for recharging electric vehicles with renewable energy. It also involved the Belgian and German electric grid operator Alia. The key benefit was sharing a vehicle's decentralized identity with the grid operator. Usually only charging stations communicate with the car, and the grid operator or TSO receives aggregate data By using the Energy Web solution, Aaliyah could see the details of the charging for that vehicle. That's one of the cool ones. Another one here is Google. Google backs Energy Web to harmonize low carbon electricity markets across Europe. It says down here, today Energy Web announced a new initiative funded by a €1 million grant from Google.org's Impact Challenge program to provide a digital framework for coordinating distributed energy resources across the transmission and distribution market interface of Europe's power grid. Pretty cool. There's a bunch of other ones. Those are two that stuck out to me. Now let's take a look at the price chart, and we'll take a look at the tokenomics of Energy Web token. So if we go to CoinGecko, right now the market cap is 136 million. Total supply, our max supply is 100 million, and the circulating supply currently is 45.363 million. See, the all-time high for the EWT token is $22.67. Currently it's sitting at $3. From the current price to the all-time high, it's about a 7.5x. So that's not a 25 to 50x that we're looking for, but I definitely could see it possibly doing a 20 to 25x. That would put it at 20x would put it at $60 token. There's a very small supply. It's 45.363 million currently circulating. Staking rewards is adding a little bit to that. Okay, Energy Web tokens all-time high, let's see, was in May of 2021 when it hit $22.67. I believe that was when Bitcoin was on its way down from all-time highs. Let's take a look here. Yeah, so May Bitcoin was around 30,000. So yeah, I could definitely see it doing a 2x from its all-time high for sure. That would get it around $50 to $60 token. With the small supply, that's definitely a possibility. Okay, now let's see how you can earn yield with the EWT token. I did buy mine on KuCoin, and then I sent it over to my MetaMask wallet. You have to go to this square box up here where it says, and then it'll say community staking. Click on that. It'll bring you here. Green proof staking is where you start out. You get 6% APY, and it is auto compounded. It says hourly rewards will be compounded, added to the total stake, earn interest. A small gas fee, very small gas fee. It's even smaller than Matic, I believe. So if we hit stake, it's going to ask us if you've never been on here before, do you have to add the chain? So if you hit import configurations, you can add the chain. So it goes here and then just make sure all this information is correct. EWC Consortia RPC is the one that I added to my other computer. We hit approve, and that's going to switch you over to the Energy Web RPC. And yeah, we're going to use MetaMask, so we're going to hit use MetaMask. And we're going to say yes, going to connect our wallet. I already have some tokens staked. I'm going to show you how, and then you have to sign that contract. If we go here, the staking pool is only 53% full. What do I have? I'm currently staking 28 EWT tokens. That's only 1% of my total allotment, which is 3,000. I might as well go ahead and just stake my other 3 because we want to leave some for gas. So I'll hit 3. It should come down here and it'll hit stake. Hit stake. Then MetaMask will ask for a transaction. So let's see. 0.00014 is how much EWT it uses for this transaction. So yes, it is cheaper than Matic. It's $0. So I confirm. And then it says, congratulations, your EWT is now staked successfully and added to the staking pool. Now I have 31 tokens. I really do like this project. I think it has a lot of bright future. It has a lot of connections, a lot of real cool partnerships that I think could be huge especially next bull run in 24, 25, 2024 and 2025. That could definitely get back up to its all-time highs, possibly higher, because it wasn't around in the height of the last bull run. So green energy is definitely the future. I'm all for it. If I could afford a Tesla, I'd drive one probably. But yeah, it's not going away, and I think this could be, part of the, putting blockchain on the map for real use case for real companies, because like all the partnerships are huge companies. A couple quick notes for the staking. It does say that depending on your consistency of staking in 2022, then you can qualify for the silver and gold. So I don't think there's not a way to do that now. It says sum it all up, consistent stakers in the consortia pool will receive silver or gold VCs. They continue to stake EWT until the end of that's December 18th. That's passed. Everyone will be able to participate in the new green pool launched on December 13th. Consistent green stakers who stake through EWT will earn a green proof V and are able to be rewarded with additional features. I'm not sure if that's supposed to say card, proof V card maybe. So I guess if you consistently stake, then you will be rewarded eventually. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just, whatever I put in here, I'm just like setting it and forgetting it. That's what it is. I'm going to set these in here. I'm going to stake them until, the end of this program, which is 12/15 of 2023. But that's 12 months. So I'm leaving them in there. I might add here and there when I see the price dip well below $3. It's currently at, I think it was $2.90 or something like that right now. $2.95. So, yeah, cool project. So, as always, thank you for watching and have a great day.